If Steam is giving you an installation error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. These errors usually happen when Steam can't write to the registry, when a previous installation didn't fully uninstall, when the installer doesn't have enough permissions, or when security software blocks the setup process. The good news is that most Steam installation problems can be fixed pretty quickly, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to restart your computer. A lot of Steam installer problems happen because files are still in use in the background, or Windows has a temporary glitch from a previous setup attempt. Restarting clears out locked processes and gives Steam a fresh start, so before you do anything else, reboot your PC and try the installer again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to run the Steam installer as an administrator. To do that, find the Steam setup file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to create folders, write to the registry, and complete the installation properly. If permission is the issue, this step often solves it immediately. Now, if you still have a problem, download a fresh copy of the Steam installer from the official Steam website. Sometimes the installer file itself gets corrupted, so using a new one can make all the difference. When you run the new installer, try installing Steam into the same location as before. In some cases, this actually repairs the Steam client without affecting your games, especially if the files are already partially there. Another common issue is Antivirus or Firewall blocking Steam. Security software can sometimes mistake Steam for a threat, especially during installation or updates. Open your Firewall settings and make sure Steam is allowed through. Also check your antivirus program and temporarily disable it if needed, just long enough to test whether it's interfering. If Steam installs normally after that, you'll know the security software was the cause. If you see a message like Close Steam before continuing, that means Steam is still running in the background. Even if the window is closed, the process may still be active. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, look for Steam processes, and end them completely. Then try the installation again. If you want to be extra safe, you can also rename the old Steam folder to steam.old. That tells Windows to treat it like a backup and can help avoid conflicts with leftover files. Sometimes the installer itself can cause issues if Windows gets confused by the file name. In that case, try renaming the installer to steaminstaller.exe before running it again. It's a small change, but it can sometimes help bypass weird file detection problems and allow the setup to continue normally. If you get an error that says destination folder must be empty, Steam is trying to install into a folder that already contains files. You can either choose a completely different location or delete the existing Steam files in that folder if you're sure you don't need them. Just be careful here and make sure you're removing the right folder before proceeding. If Steam is still failing during setup or gets stuck while updating, the problem may be network related. Open Command Prompt and run ipconfig//dns to clear your DNS cache. This can help fix connection issues that affect Steam downloads and updates. You should also open Steam settings later and change your download region if the current server seems slow or stuck. Picking a different region can improve connection stability and help Steam finish installing or updating correctly. So to recap, the main fixes are restarting your PC, running the installer as administrator, reinstalling with a fresh setup file, checking Firewall and Antivirus settings, closing leftover Steam processes, renaming the old Steam folder if needed, choosing a clean install location, and flushing DNS if the issue looks network-related. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem without much effort. If this video helped you fix your Steam installation error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. I post step-by-step guides to help you solve frustrating computer problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.